Hi, I am Shopnoroy. I am talking to Doi Canon DSLR camera. 18.0 megapixel CMOS, APS-C, sensor. The EOS Rabel T6 camera has an 18.0 megapixel CMOS sensor that captures images with outstanding clarity and tonal range, and can offer enough resolution for big enlargements or crops. Your photos can be printed and framed without having to worry about reducing the image quality. This sensor is APS-C size for an effective 1.6x field of view, compared to 35mm format, and features many advanced Canon technologies that maximize each pixel's light gathering, helping to ensure images are captured beautifully and brilliantly. Digic 4 Plus Image Processor. The Canon Digic 4 Plus image processor powers the EOS Rabel T6 camera's advanced functions and capabilities. Its accelerated processing speed creates fast, responsive performance, for a shooting experience that can be smooth and natural. The Digic 4 Plus image processor also helps enhance image quality by shortening the processing of high ISO shots by up to 60% compared to the Digic 4 image processor. This helps reduce noise for brilliant color, smooth gradations and beautiful detail even in low light. ISO 100-6400. Expandable to H. 12800, for shooting from bright light to low light. Built-in Wi-Fi and NFC connectivity provide easy sharing to compatible smart devices. Select social media sites and the Canon Connect Station CS100 device. 9-point of system, including one center cross type of point, and AI servo of provide impressive autofocus performance with accurate results. High-performance optical viewfinder helps facilitate quick and accurate focusing by firmly framing and capturing the subject at hand. Large, 3.0-inch LCD monitor with 920,000 dots shows fine details and provides easy viewing. Scene Intelligent Auto Mode simplifies settings for users without extensive photography experience. Feature Guide offers short descriptions of shooting modes, settings and effects for easy operation. Full HD Movie Mode for easy-to-use video capture. Continuous shooting up to 3.0 FPS to capture action shots. Creative options made easy with imaging features like Basic Plus and Creative Auto. Creative filters including toy camera, fisheye and miniature effect help you capture everything with a new perspective. Auto white balance provides white priority, adjusting for the warmer tones under tungsten lighting. Compatible with the full line of Canon F and FS lenses.